Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to give a positive update about multiple companies. They are going to do mass hiring and they have already started. So let me share my screen and show you the job description so you can apply to this particular companies. And these are pure core testing jobs. So you can apply them today itself. Not only that, but I believe last week we had uploaded a video of walk-in drive in Hexaware. So that particular walk-in drive is going to be there on this weekend as well. So please take a note of it. The video is already been uploaded today. The walk-in drive would be at the Pune location and you have to contact Sudha, right? And before that, before sharing the further job opportunities, let me tell you, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now, let me show you the job description. So there are multiple companies. So one is Tech Mahindra, which is hiring QA automation pan India, and it is work from home position. They are looking for the job experience of 8 to 17 years. Job location is Bangalore, Noida, and Mumbai. And in automation, you need to have experience of CI/CD, how to create automation framework, scripting, executing, and ensuring high standards of automation. So all related to the automation testing, you should have knowledge. Then test management position is also there, and they are looking for someone who can create the reports, who can drive the team, who can lead the team, who can guide the team, right? So someone who is involved in metrics monitoring, continuous improvement, such kind of leadership role. For this also they are looking for 4 to 5 minimum years of experience. So you should have the experience of either C# or Java. So it's, let's say if someone is having 12 years of experience, so minimum 4 to 5 relevant years of experience is required in Selenium C# or Selenium Java and automation API. And this is a permanent work from home position. Not only this, but there is one more position for freshers also at Tech Mahindra. And for this, they are also hiring freshers for Ahmedabad location, right? So if you go to their website, you will get those details also, right? This is the email address where you have to send the CV. Okay, then there is multiple job openings at TCS, which is a global payment company. And this is again for Pune location, right? And you can send your resume at akshaysarore31@gmail.com before 22nd of August. So before by EOD today, you should definitely send. And you also need to mention the notice period and position you are interested in, right? So I'll show you what positions are there. So again, see, this job opportunity I have got to know from LinkedIn. So you should be very active on LinkedIn. Let me now show you the LinkedIn. Okay. See, this is the person who he is actually working at associate SDET as an associate SDET specialist at TCS Global Payments Company. And there are requirements, there are multiple requirements. See, senior software engineer for Pune location, .NET skill, 5 to 10 years of experience. Software engineer again for Pune location with .NET skill set, 3 to 5 years of experience. Then seniors SDET analyst, Pune, C# SDET, 3 to 5 SDET analyst for. So two job opportunities for programming and two job opportunities for testing, right? And both 3 to 5 mid-level of experience and 5 to 10 high level of experience, right? So a good opportunities are coming and you need to send the resume at this particular email address before 22nd of August, right? So please do apply to this particular job opportunity if someone is looking for the job at Pune location. Now let's look at the job opportunities for freshers also. So for freshers in manual testing, they are looking for QA manual experience 0 years. You can share your CV at this particular email address. Location is not known as of now. So this job opportunity also we got from LinkedIn, and there are various perks that are available like good environment, performance bonus, fun activity, 5 days working. So lots of opportunities are coming. And it's a 5 days working job, and it would be a work from office position. So you can share your CV at this particular email address, and you can also inquire about which particular location they are looking for, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.